Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, division and plus. So we have to solve this quiz using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -8, B is 3, C is 6 and D is 7. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one. But inside the bracket, we have two number which has the subtraction, but one number has the power. So according to the rule, we have to solve the bracket, and inside the bracket we have the exponent part. So first of all we have to solve the exponent part in this bracket. So we will write like 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 16 minus 2 and divided by 7 plus 3 raised to power 2 minus 8. Now move forward, we have to give the reference here. 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve the bracket. Now first, so we have here two numbers which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 14. So 14 divided by 7 plus 3 raised to power 2 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference 16 minus 2 equals to 14. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket. Now we have to see the exponent part if it is coming first. So now we have here 3 raised to power 2. We have to solve this one. 14 divided by 7 plus 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now move forward. We have solved exponent part. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication again. What you have to do, you have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 14 divided by 7, which is equal to 2 plus 9 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference 14 divided by 7 equals to 2. Now move forward. Again, we have solved the division and multiplication. Now we have to solve the addition and subtraction. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 plus 9, which is equals to 11 minus 8. Or here we have to give the reference 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Now move forward. We have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will. So now we have answer is 3. So the answer of the given expression is 3. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.